Hello and welcome to my channel. So I've done this review is for Fisher earbuds, and please like and subscribe my channel. So this is a Vital Sound True Wireless earbuds, and this have a hands-free mic and easy on off and pairing and charging your case. Like this is the charging case, you can go with the charging case if you need to charge, and it has Bluetooth 5 on it, and the talking time is 3 hours almost when you call someone or listen music, and video standby time is always more, and wireless distance is 32.8 feet. So just we can open this one here, so connect to the pairing. So just try to open here, and here is the charging cable with this, and here is a charger box, so you can charge on this one here. So you can charge this earbuds here, and here is a charging point, so you can put the cable in, and here is the earbuds. So first we have to connect to the phone and try to use both. So okay, here is a user manual. So here we open this, like how you pair first time. So it's all instruction here, so how you connect here, and here's all the details. So first we try to power on the, and it's power on, is ready to pair. This button here on just power on, so it's ready to pair. So I have to open your Bluetooth device, go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, and find the new device. So it shows here the device, so it shows the detail for devices. It shows Fisher, the first one, Fisher FT4W400. Click on that. It's pairing right now. So okay, it's ready to pair. So just click on here. Okay, pair it, and it's pair. So if you want to listen music or watch videos, so you can go you can open any video you want to watch or listen music. So here is, you can go, and you have to open the one is ready to pair, so I need to do the second one, and power on just is prepared, so when you on is automatically pair with this one. So I just tap one more time and it's paired. You have to be power on anyone first, and this is connected to the computer, and this is on too, and it's paired now. So Bluetooth is on my ear and it's working, both are working. So how you pair this one? Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.